You are all welcome to the JDS Academy Beginner's Guide to Graphic Design. I am your favorite coach, Jennifer. Yes, I'm your favorite coach, Jennifer. And I will be holding you by the hand for the next 3 days on this journey of graphic design. So, in this video, I will be showing you how you can remove background from your images. If this is your first time of joining this channel, I want you to subscribe to the YouTube channel and help to grow my audience. Thank you and God bless. So I will be showing you how to remove background from images. Starting your journey as a graphic designer, you must know how to remove background from your images because you will be working with a lot of image resources. So there are various methods through which you can actually remove background from your images. You can use the web method and you can use the app method. Okay, the most important thing is that you should be able to have a high quality image even after you have removed your background from your images. So the app we'll be using to remove background from your images is the Photoroom. I recommend the Photoroom because apart from the fact that it is what I use, is the Photoroom helps you to remove background from images. It can also helps you to also change your background to other the background of your images. Okay, so and it also retains the quality of your words of your image. So where do you get your photo room? You can get your photo room from your Photoroom app. If you're using an Android phone, you can get it from your app store. If you're using an iPhone, you can get it from your app what? Your Apple Store, right? Yeah, your Apple Store. Okay. You get it from Play Store for Android users and you get it from App Store for iPhone what? Users. So let's head to my photo room. Let me show you how you can use the photo room app to remove background from your images. So I'll go to my photo room app. This is the app. Let me show you. This is the app, the photo room app. Okay, so I'll click on it. As soon as you click on it, this is the interface you'll be seeing. You'll be seeing this kind of interface. Okay, so the first thing you do, you come to, let me bring out my tools. You come to start from a photo. Start from what? A photo. So you click on it. You click on it. After you've clicked on it, you just pick any picture that you want to use to remove the background. Okay, so let's say I want to remove the background of this image. Let me show you. Now it's automatically, it removes the background for you. Okay, now this is what is going to show you. Pay attention, pay attention, pay absolute attention. Now you are going to see something like this. Under classic, under classic, you can see the various backgrounds that it has given you. So all you just look out for the background where you have transparent. Look out for where they have what? Transparent. Okay, so you click on it and you have a transparent background. Okay, all you need to do, don't stress yourself, just come to export, click on export. Can you see export? You just click on it and your image is automatically saved to your what? To your gallery. Okay, it is saved to your gallery. So this is just the simple way through which you remove your image, your background from your images. Now let's go to my gallery and let's check how the picture look like on in my gallery. So I will just come to my gallery. You can see the picture. It has a black background. It shows that the background has already been removed. So I expect each and every one of you with this skill you have learned on how to remove background from your images using Photoroom, you'll be able to remove background from any image you see out there using Photoroom. For some of you, this is not your first time, you're already acquainted with this process, but for those that this is their first time, master this skill on how you can remove background from your images. It will help you on your journey into this wonderful skill. Thank you and God bless.